So if your BMW is making the squealing noise, and you go and check the engine, and you're like, is that my dog? It's not the dog. So taking the engine cover off. Sometimes they don't. So we'll check it out today. So to replace it, you gotta press this connector in, and it's hot. But you gotta press that wire in and push that way. So we press and we push, and that's off. We'll do the same for that one. We press and we push. So this is your VVT or Vanos solenoid. And then there is a 10mm bolt for the top one and a 10mm bolt for the bottom one. And then they slide right out. And then all you do is you take your new one, you line it up like so, pop it back in, put the bolt in. So I'll show you what that looks like. So now you should be able to just, once you undo that bolt, pop it out. On the top one is very easy. I already popped it out, put the one back in, put the bolt back in. That one's new. This one, it kind of hits this plastic thing over here. So what you can do is put a screwdriver in the back and kind of pull it down a little bit, and that'll give you enough clearance to where you can pop it out. So yeah, it's catching on the, there we go. Be careful, it'll spill oil everywhere. That's the hole. Just gonna pop the new one in and then put that bolt in and plug it up, and then we're good to go. It is the same, it'll catch on here. So if you can press this down with something while pushing this in, you'll be able to get it in. And you can also kind of rotate it a little bit, but eventually it'll catch, and eventually you're gonna have to maneuver the plastic on the bottom to get it in. To get it past the plastic, just line it up with the hole. Then you can push it in further. And once you have it popped all the way in, you can put the bolt right through there. And then the connections just pop right on. That's it. Moment of truth. No noise. We go over here. Back to being quiet.